The flavors, the chilies, the heat. If you're into spicy food and you're a vegetarian, you will die for this dish. Good evening, everyone. I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in gorgeous Guwahati, Assam, India. Tonight we're doing something very special. I'm here with my friend Kabyashree, and we're gonna take a river cruise along the Brahmaputra River, the widest river in India, 5th largest river in Asia, and this is a really awesome experience. So basically we're gonna get on this cruise. And what is this cruise?
This is Afresco Grand. It's a small river cruise, and it's here. It starts at 4 o'clock. We are here. It's 3:30 now. So we'll board the cruise and we'll have an early dinner. Also, we'll have a ride in the river for about an hour maybe. So we'll enjoy a great food and a view.
I need a beer. One beer. The price for this cruise is 400 rupees per person, but that does not include food. So the food is separate. Yes, finally going on the river. Whoa. Hello, Afresco Grand. Very nice. So it's like a restaurant on the top level, and over here they have some music, live music. Awesome. Alcohol. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Hello.
Want to have some
Jalebis? Later. I have too much. So we're not on the second level, we're on the 3rd level on the rooftop. Oh, okay, there's a lot of people here. Wow, nice. Okay, so as you saw, the top level, it's an open terrace. You know, there's 2 sides. That side is like a huge party, so it's like, 4 huge tables. Over here, it's multiple different people parties. Right behind us, we have a couple. Over there, we have these 2 families. And then right here, what we have is the drink menu. So we have a bunch of different alcoholic beverages. So we have like gins, we have scotch, we have wine, we have cocktails, and we have beer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the Kingfisher Premium 650 milliliters. So that's like almost 2 pints right there. And I haven't had a beer in India since I was here in November, so can't wait. There actually is some really good beer in India. This is like some craft beer as well, but it's really hard to find beer in India. It's like, it's not common to go to a restaurant and ask for alcohol. It's more water or, chai.
We have a whole lot of starters, like great variety from chili chicken, drums of heaven, and also more of Chinese. They have Hakka noodles, they have spring rolls, they have the chili paneer and the chili potatoes. They have some great Indian pakoras.
Chili paneer, I need that. Cheers! Kingfisher, super light. If you guys don't know what Kingfisher is, this is the beer, the national beer of India. You can find it everywhere. They have some stronger versions. This one's pretty light. It's probably like 5% alcohol, but this is like a double. It's almost like a liter of beer. But it's cool. I think I need 2 beers tonight. I'm fine with that. So the way it works here is that this cruise is only 1 hour long from 4 to 5. So we're having a super early dinner. There's a lot of things on the menu, but what we went with is paneer chili for me and chicken pakora for her. And we told them a time, so they're gonna bring it at 4:30 on the dot. So it gives us half an hour to relax, have our drinks, watch the sunset, and just chill. And I mean, the breeze right now is like perfect. It's not hot at all. It's a little misty. That is just like a mist, like a fog going over the river. And then behind us, right over there, that is the smallest island river in the world. I don't know, I think there's rocks this big in many rivers. Hey, cheers again, my friend. Thank you.
This river is the property that belongs to the people of Assam. Like, people of Assam loves Brahmaputra. Like, it is the hardcore of everyone's heart.
Here we have it, paneer chili. This is one of my favorite paneers of all time. It's like a Chinese, Indo-Chinese dish. Big chunks of paneer. Ooh, chilies. You have green peppers, you have onions, you got a little bit of this. Grab another big paneer. The flavors, the chilies, the heat. I love the combination. It's hot, it's hot. Ooh. If you're into spicy food and you're a vegetarian, you will die for this dish. It's like a nice spice. Wow. And this is the pakora, chicken pakora. Nice minced chicken here. Nice and fried.
Boneless.
Boneless. Thank God, but there's no sauce, there's no like chutney.
It's there, it's there.
No, it's ketchup. I don't do ketchup. So she's saying to try it with a beer. Okay. I mean, it goes hand in hand, right? Fried food with beer, always a great combination. Really good, but that's outstanding. Coming on a river cruise in northeastern India, almost no foreigners out here. This is all locals. Just a whole different world. What an experience. Beer, super good. And love the sunset right now. The setting is amazing with the river, people. You can see some fish. There's no dolphins though. Cheers. Again, that is the smallest island river in the world, and the reason we didn't go there today is because today is Shivratri, so Lord Shiva's day, and as you can see, the ferries keep coming in with lots and lots of people. So the line just to get up to see like the idol is like super extensive. Look at that, so many people there. But yeah, I mean, we're seeing it from here, which is I think the second best way you can see it, right? Like from the river.
We see river dolphins. Also, we see we tell it water crow. It's basically dipping all around, and there are crocodiles also eventually, but I don't think so. It's there now. But river dolphins is a main attraction.
So she says there's no more crocodiles. I doubt that. They're probably just not in this area right now. They're probably up the river, because every river I've been to in the world has a goddamn crocodile. We finished the cruise, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go buy some souvenirs. I need to buy some souvenirs for my family, but I want to show you what like typical Assamese souvenirs are. They have like a lot of bamboo carved things. They have things made out of wood, and a lot of things that are like animals, like tigers, rhinos. It's been pretty tough to get a rickshaw, and the reason we're taking a rickshaw over a tuk-tuk ride is because it costs 20 rupees versus 80 rupees, so it's 4 times the price. This is a lot, you know, this is not as fast, obviously, in a rickshaw. Rickshaw, really cool experience. A lot slower than a tuk-tuk, but it's very relaxing. The only problem is that they slant the seats a little bit too much, so you're always looking forward, like falling forward. Like last time I hit the brakes, I flew out the freaking thing. Luckily I'm holding on all the time.
But this is like you are enjoying, you get good videos on the rickshaw. I think this is more like eco-friendly also, less pollutions.
Exactly. Yes, save the world, guys. So the rickshaw ride from the river costs 20 rupees. It's a good bargain. I mean, it's like 30 cents.
That's up to me.
Yeah, 20 rupees. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, thank you. And now we're in this area and we're gonna buy some souvenirs. Where the souvenirs at?
It's there.
Oh, and when we're done, I might have some Pani Puri and see how many I can eat.
Sure.
I think I'm gonna have to have a lot. I wanna do a challenge. You guys let me know. Should I do a Pani Puri challenge? What's up, guys? What is it?
These are the pakoras.
The pakoras. The rhinos. Look at the rhinos. So big. This is incredible. So many things. I mean, I love the rhinos, the turtles. What else is there? Do you have lamps?
Stands. You can take this.
Turtle?
This is so cute.
I mean, I don't know. I gotta see. I mean, I like the stuff. I think the rhino is the best thing, but oh my God, look at all the rhinos. Look at all the rhinos. Go see all the rhinos. There's so many. Oh, this is cool. This is like really cool. Wow. I like that. Should I get one for tomorrow? How much is it? $4.50? I mean, I don't need it that bad. Here we have a bunch of rhinos. As you know, the one-horn rhino exists in Kaziranga, where I'm going. I'm going there like in a week and a half. And it's actually pretty light because they're made out of wood. So I think I'm gonna take one of these home with me to Miami. But not a bite here because she was saying it's probably like half price over there. So I'm gonna hold out for now, but they're pretty amazing. Yeah, so many sizes. They have huge ones you can see right down here. Like, ooh, this one weighs a lot. This one weighs a lot, but it's really cool. I mean, I love these. And there's like tiny ones. There's also a lot of like baskets. Everything here is made from wood. You have some lanterns. You can see you have like beer mugs right here. So many things. Is there mask?
This is Japi. This is a traditional thing of Assam. Basically, it's used by the farmers to cover their head while farming. But now this is a like a little fusion version. Like you can decorate your home. There's a bigger one. You can show them.
Crazy. That's huge. As you guys know, I collect masks. Everywhere I go in the world, I always try to bring a mask home from my wall. That's like the collection. I'm just trying to build a nice wall so when I'm like 80 years old, I can look back and reflect on the places I've been, you know? So I'm gonna get an elephant mask. It's $250. A deer mask, $250. And the reason I'm getting this is because a lot of national parks up here, there's a lot of wildlife, right? And then I'm also gonna get the, you know, what the farmers used to wear, and this is only 100. So this is like $1.50 for this guy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place them together on a wall. So I'll put it like that, something like that, right? Like this. What do you think?
Yes.
Let's go like that.
Yes.
600, guys. Just want to tell you, you know how much that is? It's $9 US for all his gifts. Gifts for myself. All right, so
How much?
I'll keep this. I'll keep this. Let me get the 500s. I did it.
Shopping done.
Shopping. We didn't eat so much for dinner. I'm gonna end this night with some Pani Puri.
Yes.
And here we have our guy, the Pani Puri guy right here. And I'm the Puri god. So here it costs 10 rupees for 5 Pani Puris, and the way it works is that you just keep going really fast. So I have it.
Nice.
Oh, very nice. I do it down way too fast though.
Like chew it well.
Do it slow down. This is how it works, right?
You wanna have more?
Don't try to grab a Pani Puri from the guy's hand. He doesn't like that. So he actually gave us an extra one. Oh my god, it's a lot though. 6 is like, it's filling me up quick. Pani Puri is so delicious.
Yes, it is. Like, it's worth trying. If you are in India, you need to try Pani Puri. It has different names, as I told you in the last video.
Kulcha?
No, it's puchka.
Puchka?
It's golgappa.
Golgappa?
Pani Puri.
Pani Puri.
And I don't know if rest of the India has some other name also.
Because I love Pani Puri so much, I'm gonna end the night with Pani Puri. And when you start eating, he doesn't stop feeding you until you're done. So we're waiting for them to be done, and then he'll give me 6 more or 5 more, right? So 10 rupees for 5. So basically I'm gonna spend 20 rupees, 30 cents for what I'm eating right now. There's a lot of mosquitoes around right now. Assam is full of mosquitoes, but I can do it, yeah. Perfect, let's do it, my man. So he makes a hole, right?
Yeah.
Makes a hole, puts the aloo in it, puts the pani. It goes really fast too. As you eat, you just keep popping them in your mouth. So good. I know people that eat like 100 in a row. My friend here is the man. He loves the camera. Nice one, guys. 10 delicious Pani Puris. Puchka all the way. We had an amazing time out there on the river, on the cruise. We had some delicious paneer chili. That thing was super hot. Nice Kingfisher beer. The view was amazing with the sunset, seeing the smallest river island in the world. Then we came over here, we bought some souvenirs, and ended it with a feast of Pani Puri. And the mosquitoes are like killing my friend here. They're about to eat me alive. So I hope you guys love this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next food travel adventure somewhere in Assam, India. Peace.